Hey, yo, listen, they say content creation is about being authentic. So this about to be one of the realest videos I ever made. Wake the fuck up. It is 2024 and there's so much money being circulated on this internet and you still sitting up here trying to figure out if it's real or if it's not. Just do it. Just take a chance, invest in yourself. Trust that gut feeling that you get every time you see one of these videos. Stop saving them, stop scrolling, start plugging in and make this money. I literally received this $900 payment last night before I was about to go to sleep. And if you would have told me that 3 months ago I would be experiencing this, I would have told you ain't no way, because I never did nothing like this before. I never knew that you could even do anything like this. I never knew that I could work for 2 hours a day, generate some income online that allowed me to be able to, within the next couple of weeks, quit my job. So if you don't stop playing games with yourself, if you don't stop not believing in yourself, if you don't stop saying that you're going to do something every single year and you don't do nothing, and you keep thinking that something is going to change, nothing will ever change for you. Today can be the day that change comes. If you got a feeling that you're ready to start making you some extra money so that you can stop robbing Peter to pay Paul, so that you can stop worrying about how you're going to pay these bills, so you can stop worrying about how you're going to pay for that trip, or maybe you want to do like me and live and travel abroad full time. Whatever that dream looks like for you, you can make that your reality. You just got to show up. If you want information on a program that I'm using that taught me how to do all of this, drop me a 1. I will absolutely love to share that information with you. And remember, things will never ever change in your life if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.